Are you still using your personal credit to fund your business? If that's the case, you need to build business credit now. Building business credit is not some complicated task. It's just about taking the proper steps to establish that credibility. Can you imagine having credit cards and lines of credit that's solely for your business and it doesn't show on your personal credit? I know how you feel right now because before I learned how to build business credit, I felt the same way. Hey there, credit champs. Lisa here. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. I'm Lisa, and this channel is your go-to hub for everything credit. That's personal and business credit. And once you've built business credit, guess what? I'm going to help you access funds so you can grow and scale. Listen, if this is your first time here, please don't let it be your last. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, so every time a video is uploaded, you'll be notified. And listen, if this is your first, second, third, fourth time on my channel and you haven't subscribed, why? Come on, be a part of the community. Get your pen and paper ready to take notes. In today's video, I am going to break down step by step how you can build a business profile in 30 days. And once you take those steps and you get those reportable trade lines, you're in business. If you're a new entrepreneur, yes, I'm talking about you. And if you've been an entrepreneur for quite some time and you've been using your personal credit to fund your business, this is for you too. Before I share step by step how to build business credit, can we be transparent for a minute? I want to be transparent. I know how it feels to be stuck. I know how it feels that you're robbing Peter to pay Paul with your personal credit to keep your business afloat. And you don't have funds to invest in marketing. You don't have funds to invest in hiring or buying new equipment. I get it. And you've heard this term business credit. You've seen videos here, there, and everywhere, and you're still feeling stuck. You feel like, how in the world is someone ever going to approve me for a loan with business credit? And I don't know which direction to go. If that is you, I get it. I'm not sharing just theory. I am sharing from a place of been there, done that. I spent my will for 2 years trying to learn how to build business credit until I finally invested in a mentor that showed me. So just want to share that with you and let you know that the struggle sometimes is real, but I am going to stir you in the right direction so that I can pull you afloat so you get that business credit and stop using your personal credit, because personal credit, first of all, limits you from availability of credit. And not only that, once you run all your credit limit up, your utilization skyrockets and your FICO score declines. I get it. Okay, before I get into the steps to help you build business credit, let's talk about and make sure that we're on the same page so you understand what business credit is. Business credit is credit that is based on your business's credibility. It is not attached to your social security number, and it has 3 credit business bureaus that it reports to: Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax Business. It is just like your personal credit, however, it is attached to your business. So however your business's payment history is what is reported. Now, the way that you establish credibility, because you have to establish credibility and you need to take these steps. So get a pen and paper because you can't miss any of these steps. First of all, your business needs to be legal. Legal means that it is registered in that state that you live. So for example, if you live in California, you need to register your business legally in California, and it has to be registered as some type of corporation. Now, whichever type of corporation is best for your business, do that research. I'm not going to recommend, but I will tell you being a sole proprietor is not applicable. because when you're a sole proprietor, you're still technically like you're using your social security number pretty much. So it's kind of like not a full business. You're doing a little bit of business, but it is attached to your social security number. And this is one thing I want to say. You guys have to stop starting these sole proprietorships. Go ahead and establish your business like a real business. Incorporate that. Step number 2 is once that business is registered legally with the state, you must obtain an EIN number. EIN number you can get from the IRS website, and that EIN number plays as a social security number for your business. It's not a social security number. It's not called a social security number. I'm just kind of giving you some jargon here that it is the number that the IRS identifies your business. EIN number. Number 3, very, very, very important, is you need a DUNS number. And a DUNS number is a number that identifies your business's history that will be reported to one of the 3 business credit bureaus, Dun & Bradstreet actually. So your DUNS number. So you can go to Dun & Bradstreet. Doesn't take a long time. Put in the information. Boom, 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 boom. You'll get a DUNS number. Number 4 is you must open a business checking account. No commingling. Everything must be separate. This is one of the biggest mistakes that I made when I started my business. Let me tell you, I was using my Bank of America account. I was commingling my personal with my business, and when tax time rolled around, hot mess. The next step is you must have a website, professional website. Set yourself up like a Fortune 500 company. You must have a professional phone number that's separate from your phone number, your personal phone number. Also, you need to have a business address that's separate from your home business address. You can have a virtual address. You can have baby and them address. That's a joke. Meaning an address that is separate, and make sure that everything is consistent on all of your paperwork with that address. Also, it is wise to make sure your email address is professional. These are the things that are so important. It's kind of like building a house, building that structure. When that structure is built, then when that wind, that hurricane comes through, it just won't wipe it out, because that structure is built. Now, the last thing that you must do is to have reportable trade lines in that business set up. Lisa, why? That is because that reportable trade line will report to 1 or 2 or 3 of the business credit bureaus, so you can start building a profile. Much like your personal credit when you're in college. I'll speak for myself. When I was in college, got that first credit card, didn't know anything about credit, started purchasing, and everything that I purchased with that credit card was building a structure for my personal credit. So those are the steps that you must take. Now, the steps I just mentioned will help you build a profile, meaning you'll get something established. Now, you also must take other steps. The next steps I would recommend is establishing at least minimum to start 5 reportable trade lines that are reporting. Now, what I would suggest is you start with net accounts. Now, I know a lot of YouTubers say, oh, don't do a net account. That's so old fashioned. Let me tell you, I'm old-fashioned. I can tell you that. Take it to the bank, and my business profile is established and credible, and I can obtain millions of dollars. Okay? Yes. So sometimes taking those steps the old way is better than this new stuff that is quick. So take the old way of building that credibility. The more trade lines you have, the better. And the benefit of these net, like vendor accounts, is that once you start using them and they're reporting to your business profile, then you don't need to use them anymore. And then you can start building with credit cards, reportable credit cards. for your business. And then from there, you can start getting loans, but the net accounts just add. So the more net accounts, the more trade lines reporting, the better for your profile. You got it? Listen, guys, building business credit is 100% solid and it's easy. If you take these steps and not try to take the fast way, which will have you crashing, I can guarantee you'll build a solid credibility. And another thing, when you build business credit with trade lines, vendor accounts starting out, before you know it, you'll be able to purchase that vehicle in your business name without having to personally guarantee it. Yes, that's it. I'm telling you. But anywho, guys, take these steps. Go back and listen to this video again and take notes. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, or anything that you want me to talk about and share, go ahead and click in the comment. And you guys, listen. If you would like to get on a call with me to find out a free strategy call to find out how we can work together, how I can enhance that credit for you, yeah. And I can help you build business credit, yeah. And then help you get access to funds, yeah. Go ahead and do it. And until next time, when you win, I win, and we win together. And I love you, love you, love you.